Man. I hate having to not be able to get a PS5. It costs about $1,000 which I don't have. I think I should monetize my YouTube channel. I heard it can help you make money easily. Okay, it says that I have to be 18 or older to monetize my channel alone. I will say I am 19.
I now have a monetized channel.
The next day.
Taurus, why is there so much money in your room, and why do you have a cigarette in your mouth? You are far too young to smoke. You are 12 years old, not 21.
Well Dad, I monetized my YouTube channel which got me filthy rich. And I ordered a PS5 that's coming tomorrow. And you suck, Dad.
What? Oh my god, Taurus. Why on the planet Earth would you try to make money on YouTube? You are too young, and teenage free kids like you can't make money because it is illegal and they can go straight to jail, because making money under 13 is a crime. And also, how dare you monetize your channel which got you filthy rich? That is so it. I will delete your channel and cancel your PS5 delivery.
No. Please don't.
Channel successfully deleted.
No. My channel is deleted and my PS5 delivery is cancelled. Now I can't play Astrobot, Planet Coaster 2, Krarobskur Expedition 33, Act.
That is correct, Taurus. I deleted your channel because you were caught making money on YouTube. You should know that you can get arrested for making money because you are a child and you are too young. You need to be 13 to make money. It's the law. You are only 12 years old. You are underage to make money, and you are grounded for 75 decades. Now I will take all of this money back to the bank and cancel your PS5 delivery. Oh, and the police is here.
Taurus Anderson, you are under arrest for making money on YouTube. You should know that making money under 13 is a serious felony to begin with. You have to pay a fine of up to $250,000 and a juvenile detention sentence up to 10 years. Now get in the police car now. You are going straight to jail for a very long time, or should I say, juvenile detention. Oh, and you have a cigarette in your mouth. You know that you need to be 21 or older to smoke cigarettes, so that's another 5 years equaling to 15 years in juvenile detention, and when you turn 18, you will go to regular jail.